Greetings, future scholars of America. It's Mr. Barfield here with a grammar video for you. Today's topic is nouns, the first of 8 parts of speech. Let's talk about nouns, shall we? So, first up, a noun is a person, place, thing, or idea. It could be a person, like a teacher or a student, a place, like a school or a garage, a thing could be desk or ice cream, or an idea, like freedom or love. Nouns can be singular or plural. Some singular examples would be boy, watch, ox, and then to make them plural, there's a variety of different ways to do that. Boys, you just add an S, watches, you add an ES, and oxen is a little bit trickier, it's irregular. Next up, we have possessive nouns, a noun that names who or what owns or has something. They can be formed in 2 different ways. You add an apostrophe and an S, like this, for all singular nouns and plural nouns not ending in S. Or for plural nouns already ending in S, you add only an apostrophe. For example, Rita is singular, it does not have an S at the end, so you would add apostrophe S to make it Ritas. Whereas books is already plural with an S at the end, so you would just need to add an apostrophe to the S. Singular possessive looks like this, the cars, apostrophe S hood. Whereas plural possessive looks like this, the cars S apostrophe hoods. Next up, we're going to talk about concrete versus abstract nouns. A concrete names something that occupies space or can be recognized by the senses. So obviously, a desk would be concrete, a cup would be concrete, but a smell is also concrete. Like, oh, what's that smell? Well, you can't see it, but you can smell it. Therefore, it's recognized by the senses and it's concrete. Smoke is something in the air and is also concrete because it's recognized by the senses. A cough can be heard, so it is concrete as well. Whereas abstract names an idea, quality, or characteristic. Like motion, you cannot touch, smell, or see. Humor, you cannot touch, smell, or see. That's an idea. And a quantity of something is not something you can sense with the senses. Proper versus common nouns. A proper is the name of a particular person, place, thing, or idea, like a particular person named Shakespeare, or a country named Canada, or a holiday named Thanksgiving, or Christianity, a type of religion, whereas common is just the general name of that person, place, thing, or idea. For example, Shakespeare is a writer. Canada is a country, Thanksgiving is a holiday, and Christianity is a religion. But there are many, many different types of these common nouns. A collective noun names a group of things or people or places or ideas. Sometimes those are considered singular and sometimes plural. It's singular when you talk about a group as a whole. For example, the audience as a whole clapped. Audience is singular in this case, versus plural when you recognize individual members of the group. The audience have arrived in small groups, so they're not acting as a whole, they're acting as members. The members of the audience have arrived in small groups. Here are some other examples of collective nouns. You've got team, family, senate, the press, the group, so on and so forth. Now, a compound noun is made up of 2 or more words, and they can be formed in a variety of ways. It could be one word smushed together, it could be 2 words hyphenated to make one word, or it could be 2 separate words that function as if they are one word. Let me explain. Story and book are 2 separate words that when smushed together create storybook, that's one word. Runner and up, when you add a hyphen in between, create runner up. And ice and cream are both separate words, but when put together with a space in between, they still function as one word or one compound noun. And to close things out, we have this lovely little comic for you. Easter egg for this video is this question. What walks with 4 legs in the morning, 2 legs in the afternoon, and 3 legs in the evening? All right, that's all for today. Bye.